Hello everyone, welcome back to Techno Talker. My name is Dipto and today I will be sharing with you 5 passive income streams that are perfect for students or someone who looking for some extra money on the side. So without talking too much, let's dive in. The first passive income stream is affiliate marketing, and it is a great way to earn money passively. You just need a website or maybe a social media where you can share your unique product link, and when someone purchases from your unique product link, you can get commission. The more purchases you drive, the more commission you make. As simple as that. There are plenty of brands that offer affiliate program. You just need to join their program and you are ready to go. Don't worry, I will share with you top 3 affiliate program that you can start from today. The first affiliate program is Amazon Associate, and Amazon Associate has been one of the top affiliate program in the world since 1996. In fact, it was the first online affiliate marketing program in the world, and the commission rate of Amazon Associate is between 1 to 20%, and it's depend on different product type. Number 2 is ClickBank, and ClickBank is very important for affiliate marketers because it's share its valuable affiliate information to anyone. The commission rate is also high here. It's between 50 to 70% on average and based on different product type. The last one is eBay Partner Network, and eBay is one of the highest paying affiliate program on the internet, and its commission is between 50 to 70% on average based on different products. So these are the 3 best affiliate program in the internet, and you can join here today and you are ready to earn passively. The second way to generate passive income is creating a blog or a YouTube channel. Both blogging and YouTubing revolve around creating valuable content for your audience. Choose a niche you are passionate about and creating valuable content on that niche. When your blog or your channel grow, you can monetize it in a different way, such as sponsorship, display ads, even though you can sell your own product. With consistency and dedication, you can turn your passion into a passive income stream. Number 3 is sell design online. If you have some creative skills, then selling design online can be a great passive income streams for you. There are plenty of design platforms where you can sell your design. It can be a logo, illustration, some business card, mock-up, maybe some merchandise related things, maybe t-shirt design, your phone case design. So there are lots of design related things you can sell online. I will share with you top 3 platforms where you can sell your design. The number 1 is Fiverr. Fiverr is a great marketplace for selling design. Here you can sell your logo, business card, mock-up, any kinds of design you can sell here. Number 2 is Design Hill. Design Hill also a very design oriented platform. Here you can meet lots of clients who need some design related stuff. You need to just create account here and you are ready to go. You can explore lots of design related contest here. You can participate on that contest, as well as you can share your portfolio here, and when clients see your portfolio very attractive, they will definitely knock you. By this way, you can sell your design online. And the number 3 is 99 Design. It is also one of the biggest platform for design selling. For selling design, you need to just more creative and stand out from the competition. Dropshipping is another popular passive income streams because here you don't need to care about the inventory and shipping all sorts of things, because you act as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. You just need a website where you can place your product, and when someone order your product, you just need to forward the order to the supplier, and then supplier will directly handle the shipping and all sorts of things. And the difference between supplier price and your given price on the website would be your profit. With careful product selection and effective marketing, you can build a successful dropshipping store. Number 5 is help businesses bring client. If you have some networking and marketing skills, you can sell your service as a customer acquisition consultant. There are plenty of businesses who oftenly struggle to bring client. Here your skills can play a crucial role, because you can sell your services, and by bringing client you can earn some commission and maybe some consultancy fee. You can directly offer your services on different freelance platform, and by helping different businesses you can also earn passively. No more today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, do subscribe, and if you have any confusion, any suggestion, you can leave a comment below, and definitely I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.